My name is Manisha and we are celebrating Navratri. Today is the 6th day of the Navratri and the color is yellow. I am wearing yellow sari today and I have created this look using Huda Beauty palette. If you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. Okay, so guys, first of all I'm taking wet wipes from the brand Kaya and just cleaning my face. So all the dirt will wash off. After that I am taking Kama Ayurveda lavender water. This is the lavender water, not Mogra water. Taking lavender water and just spraying it and patting it into my skin. After that I am taking Kryolan eye base. So it will be good base for our eyeshadow and our eyeshadow will stick properly and evenly. After that I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade number 25 and just applying it on all over my lid. After that I am taking my favorite Huda Beauty palette. From the same palette I am taking nude shade and creating my crease line. After that from the same palette I am going to take dark shade and in the outer corner I am just darken it more like this way, and then I am taking golden eyeshadow from the same palette and just dabbing it onto my lid. Just blending it the edges. Taking the black eyeshadow and just creating the outer V, so it will create a nice look for the eyeshadow. Removing the excess with the wet wipes. Next I'm taking my Plum moisturizer and just applying it and moisturizing my face. Taking the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer, so it will be nice surface for our foundation. Taking lip balm from Body Shop and moisturizing my lips. After that I am taking LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Bisque and I am just as usual covering my dark circles, my dark pigmentations, and blending it with the beauty blender. उसके बाद हम ले रहे हैं फाउंडेशन. फॉर द फाउंडेशन आई एम टेकिंग सन बेज एंड वार्म न्यूड. आई एम मिक्सिंग बोथ द फाउंडेशन and I'm creating my shade today. Applying it with a small flat brush and blending it with the beauty blender. Next I'm taking the loose powder on the brush, fluffy brush, and just setting my face with that brush. My under eye, forehead, cheeks. Next I'm taking PAC eyebrow cake and just filling my brows with the black powder. After that I'm taking both the shades from the Huda Beauty palette and just applying it on my lower lash line, on both the eyes. From the same palette I am taking Moon Dust shade and just highlighting my brow bone, brow bone and inner corner. After that I am taking Pro Art golden pencil and applying it on my lower lash line. After that I have taken Oriflame's kajal, which is gifted by my sister, and I am just tightlining my upper lash line. After that I am taking Nykaa's Black Magic eyeliner and applying the eyeliner. I have taken the Maybelline's Master Chrome Trio palette, contour palette, and just contouring my cheeks and my jawline, my usual areas. I'm taking Makeup Studio blush palette and just applying it on my cheekbones. I'm not sure whether the camera is capturing or not, but it is looking really nice. After that, I'm taking Wet n Wild blush again and applying it. After that, I'm taking Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I'm just highlighting my usual areas, my cheekbones, nose, Cupid's bow, and at the last I'm taking pack setting spray and setting my face. Mascara from L'Oreal. This is the Max Lash Volume Mascara, and star of the show, a lipstick. This is a lipstick from Forever 52. This is the look. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. I hope you all like this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.